Sorrel? Brenden, are you okay? I'm okay, Sorrel, but where's the staff? Oh no, you're still talking about that. I gotta get that out of your mind. Wait, what, Sorrel? Hocus pocus, fall asleep again. Sorrel, you're not making me... How lovely. Man, he snores crazy. I need to find a way to get that out of his brain. Aha! I'll wipe his memory. I know a great spell. Forget, forget. Forget, forget. Let your mind go blank. Hey, who are you? What's a dog doing in my house? Uh-oh, I accidentally wiped all of the memories of me. Uh-oh, this is not good. Get out of here, dog, get out of here. Hocus pocus. You're not making me... Oh, that was a close one. I need to find a spell to get his memories now back, but without the staff memories. But how do I do that?